An overview of carcinoma gallbladder. It's the fifth most common GI malignancy in Western countries with a male to female ratio of 1:2 to 1:6. The incidence increases with increasing age and peaks by 7th decade of life. Northern India is a hotspot for carcinoma gallbladder. Other hotspots being western parts of South America, Chile and Peru, Northern American Indians and Mexican Americans. This chapter was crafted with the intention that aims to improve the understanding of cancer gallbladder, especially the treatment part. Gallbladder carcinoma is a very aggressive tumor with a very poor prognosis. 5-year survival rate is about 5%. Symptoms are non-specific and thus patient's presence late to a healthcare facility. Also, the fast progression of this disease leads to poor prognosis. Gallbladder malignancy is among those whose prognosis is very worse is diagnosed at late stages, but if it's dealt at an early stage, patient's survival drastically increases. Gallbladder cancer is a rare but extremely aggressive disease with a very low survival rate. Only about 5% of patients survive for 5 years after diagnosis. One of the biggest challenges with this cancer is that its symptoms are vague and non-specific, which means people often do not realize something is wrong until the disease has already progressed to an advanced stage. Gallbladder cancer is the fifth most common gastrointestinal cancer in Western countries and is much more common in women than men. The risk increases with age, especially in people over 60. Some regions have a particularly high number of cases, including northern India, parts of South America like Chile and Peru, and among Native American and Mexican American populations. Several risk factors are linked to this cancer. The most important is the presence of gallstones, which are found in up to 90% of people diagnosed with gallbladder cancer. Larger gallstones, more than 3 centimeters, increase the risk significantly. Other risk factors include large gallbladder polyps, a condition called porcelain gallbladder, where the gallbladder wall becomes calcified, bile duct cysts, chronic inflammation, certain infections like Salmonella typhi, and exposure to harmful chemicals. Because gallbladder cancer grows and spreads quickly, early detection is difficult but critical. In high-risk individuals, doctors may recommend preventive surgery, such as removing the gallbladder before cancer develops. Understanding and identifying risk factors is essential to catching the disease early and improving survival chances. Survival of patients diagnosed with gallbladder cancer is dependent on the stage of disease at presentation and whether surgical resection is performed. Independent factors affecting survival include T status, N status, histologic differentiation, and common bile duct involvement. Patients with T1A lesions, limited to the mucosa and lamina propria, have an excellent prognosis. Complete resection of T1B lesions to negative margins also affords an excellent prognosis. Survival of patients with T2 lesions depends on nodal status, and radical resection in this setting improves 5-year survival from approximately 20% to more than 60%. The 5-year survival of patients with T3 tumor is less than 20%, and patients with T4 lesions have a survival measured in months. Patients with metastatic disease at presentation have a median survival of 13 months. Because most patients with gallbladder cancer present with advanced disease, the overall survival of gallbladder cancer is less than 15%. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.